Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Swakuswa, and in today's video we are going to talk about top 5 most powerful AI tools right now in 2026. Tools that are changing how students are studying, how developers are coding, and how content creators are making and creating videos and all. So whether you are a student, you are a developer, or you are a content creator, these AI tools are insane and you must know about these tools because AI is everywhere and everything is changing around us because of the use of AI. So if you want to grow, if you want to boost your productivity by 10x, and if you want to survive in the market, if you want to become a next tech genius, then you must know these AI tools. If you watch this video till the end, then I guarantee you will learn something very crazy and useful in next 5 minutes. So make sure to watch till the end and do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel if you are new here. Now let's go. The very first on this list is Opus, and it is the AI powerhouse. So it is one of the binary AI agent which was developed for deep thinking, coding and research purpose, So it is so strong that the companies use it for the advanced type of tasks like advanced debugging, data analysis, deep data analysis and real world decision making rather than just quick and casual chat. And talking about why students and developers like it the most, त्यसको बारेमा कुरा गर्नु पर्दा there are various reasons, but some of them are it can go through and process long documents and complex logic, and also it is great for coding help and technical explanations, as well as it works like a great tutor and coding assistant. So imagine asking it to explain about a thesis or a research paper, or asking it to write a technical explanations or debug or use code base, and it's all done in a minute. That's why I told you it's insane. And if you have heard about Opus 4.6, it's crazy. Opus 4.6 leads every frontier model in last humanity exam, and it's the hardest multidisciplinary reasoning test out there. And also it tops Terminal Bench 2.0 for agentic coding and GPT 5.2 by 144 ELO points. So that's why also people are debating whether software engineers are finally done or what. The next one is Google Anti-Gravity, and we can call it AI coding revolution. And if you don't know about it, then I must say you are missing something very important. It is the next gen AI powered IDE for the developers. Instead of you writing 1,000 lines of code by yourself, AI agent like Anti-Gravity AI agent will break down your software idea and build a stepwise process. So it's like having a whole team member of developers into your screen. So you'll just have to give a prompt saying what are your idea, what do you want to include in your project, in your software. After that, you will see a stepwise process written on your screen and the tasks being performed simultaneously. It's an IDE, use once and you'll be amazed. Talking about what it is best for, so it is best for automating your tasks. It is best for the building your app and website faster, useful for the student who are learning programming, and also it's more useful when you want to automate your tasks. You don't want to spend long hours debugging your code where the errors are, and just the process becomes so easy, so simple, and you'll just have to have the idea in your mind, and then after you'll just have to write the prompt, what do you want. All the other tasks will be performed by the AI agent. The next one is Nano Banana AI tool, and it has become one of the most powerful AI image editor and the image generator in the world. So we can edit photo, we can generate high quality of visuals, we can preserve characters in details in a second. If I would have to give one example, then I would say you can upload a picture and then instantly edit things out there. You can change the background, you can change the dress, you can change entire things on your pictures, and also you can turn it into a cinematic art even without having a great knowledge of designing. Our students sometimes use it for presentation, developers use it for instant UI mockups, and also because Google is rolling it into apps such as Google Apps and Search, Nano Banana is everywhere in 2027. Another one is VEO3, which generates video from prompts. What if our AI could create a real video just from your scripts? So that's what exactly done by this AI. This is a powerful text to video AI model that turns natural language into cinematic video with audio and motion as well. You just have to write a prompt what type of video you want to generate. You have to be very specific about every detail, where your hands are moving, what color of dress you are wearing, what kind of video you want. I mean in detail. To give an example, I would say you might have seen so many AI generated video on your reel. My feed are full of this kinds of reels, where people are saying in different food land, where there are people, this cat video and AI influencer. This kind of video generating AI tool are used by so many people, not just for fun, but also they use it to earn from it. And the last one is 11 Labs, human level AI and narration. So this is one of the most realistic AI voice platform, and you can use it to generate a speech from text. This tool is used to generate natural sounding speech from text in different languages, which will be useful for presentation, narration, podcasts, education videos, and many more. You can just turn your text into human sounding lecture that will be ready to use on your YouTube video or wherever you want to use it. And you can even clone your own voice and create a multilingual version. So it's like having a real voice actor on standby 24/7. So it's very useful. Try it once. So there you go. These were some of the list of most powerful AI tools. Of course, there are many more, but I have listed few of them. I hope this video was helpful for you. And if you like the video, do subscribe my channel. I'll see you in another video. Till then, bye bye.